Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Craig Daniels and this is Rocky Top Splash. Today is the day, the wait is finally over. My new boat sits right there in front of me and I'm going to reveal it to you right now. So you guys been following me for quite a while. You've seen that I posted a few months back that I wanted to dig into this new boat buying process. That process turned into be a huge headache. A lot more things went into it than what I thought. I sold my boat a lot faster than I assumed that I would. I wanted to make fishing videos while in the middle of the process of documenting the boat buying process. That got all twisted out of whack. So where we are right now, the new boat sits right there. And what I want you guys to do is, in the comment section, I want you to guess what kind of boat I got. Guess the length, the color, brand name, Ranger, Triton, Nitro, Skeeter, whatever you guys think. I want you to guess right now in the comment section. Let me go ahead and tell you what I was looking for. I had a 96 Astro. It was a 17-foot boat. I wanted to upgrade from that boat. I felt like with all the extra fishing that me and Gary were doing, it was just a matter of time before that old two-stroke just clunked out on us, and I didn't want to get stranded out there in the middle of the river. So I felt like it was just a good time to buy a new boat. Didn't necessarily need one, but I just felt like the timing was right. I had been saving up for quite some time, and the stars kind of aligned, and I finally got one. So I wanted something that was going to be bigger, give me and Gary some more room to move around, a more modern layout for storage. Of course, a new motor means more reliable, that kind of stuff. So I looked at everything on the market. I looked at Rangers, I looked at Skeeters, Nitros, Tritons, Fiberglass, aluminum, everything across the board, used boats. I just really focused on what's going to be best for me and my family going forward. Something that is not going to put us in any kind of financial strain at all. So, with that being said, let me go ahead and reveal it to you right now. Well guys, this is probably not the exact boat you thought I was going to get. I know I talked about buying a brand new boat, and I went down to Bass Pro. I had them draw up all the paperwork for a brand new Z18. I just couldn't bring myself to sign the paperwork on a $40,000 boat. I just felt like it was just too much money for a boat. Finance for 10 or 12 years, it's just a lot of money. And I looked around, found a really good deal on this boat. It's a 2009 model Skeeter SX190. Got the Yamaha 150 VMAX on it. The guy that bought it, he actually bought it off a couple guys that won it in a bass tournament. So he got a really good deal on it. Kept it in the garage. He's got all the receipts for things he had done to it. Has the kill guard. Just a lot of nice features in this boat. So I got it for $14,000. I took the depth finders off of it. It came with 2 Humminbirds on it, older model Humminbirds, and I bought these Lowrance Elite Series for $1,000. So what you see sitting right here, I got $15,000 in it. And for what I'm getting, I feel like that's a very good price. Minn Kota 80-pound maximum trolling motor, Yamaha VMAX 150, 18-foot boat, double rod lockers, plenty of storage. I mean, just a really solid boat. I'm really looking forward to a lot of years with it. Hope you guys stick around on the channel and I can get back out there on that water and show you guys some really good tips and tricks on how to put more fish in your boat once all this crappy weather leaves and it warms up a little bit. I promise you we're going to get back out there. Thank you guys for watching the channel. Before you leave, hit that subscribe button. Get out there on the water if you can. When you get there, fish simple and simply catch fish. I'm Craig Daniels, and I'll see you on the next one.